Hey friends, Brian with My Guys Know How here, and we're answering the question, how can I extend or improve my Wi-Fi coverage? The good news is, most Wi-Fi coverage problems can be fixed. The bad news is, just as in life, most cheap things aren't good, and most good things aren't cheap. Improving Wi-Fi coverage isn't about buying the best router on the market, nor is it about buying the fastest package from your internet service provider. And a lot of times, moving your router a few feet won't cut it either. If your home is small enough, placing your router in a central location of your home will provide adequate coverage throughout your house. For those that have larger homes, or you don't want to see equipment out in the open, having multiple access points placed strategically throughout your home to provide adequate coverage, just like Goldilocks, not having too many, not having too little, but just the right amount, will provide a better overall user experience. What's strongly recommended in any event is using the existing wiring that's already in your home. If you can, install new wires in a new construction project. That is always the most ideal solution. It will give you consistent, reliable Wi-Fi all over your home.